a quick, healthy, and absolutely delicious breakfast? Today I'm making poha, a classic Indian dish that's light, flavorful, and ready in just a few minutes. Hello friends! Welcome back to Cooking with Candace. This recipe is perfect for busy mornings but still packed with comforting flavors. Soft flattened rice, crunchy peanuts, and fresh herbs. If you want something simple, nutritious, and super satisfying, this poha is going to be your new favorite. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 2.5 cups of poha. We use thick because the thin poha gets mushy. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a cup of skinless peanuts, 1 tablespoon of mustard seed, 1 red onion, about 20 curry leaves, 3 green chilies, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt to taste. We're gonna start with 1 teaspoon of salt and go from there. And then cilantro for garnish. Okay, so we're over at the stove top now. We're gonna turn our heat up to like medium, and we're going to roast our peanuts. And we use skinless peanuts because I don't like skin getting in the poha. When you're doing this, get skinless peanuts. So we're just gonna wait till these get brown. Okay, so as you can see, our peanuts are browned, and so we're gonna throw them in a bowl. Okay, so now we are going to heat our oil. The pan's already hot, so it shouldn't take long. I'm gonna add like a tablespoon or 2. Just wait a couple seconds. And I have the pan on medium. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my mustard seed. As you can see, it's like bubbling up. So we're gonna add our curry leaves. Since it's bubbling up, we're gonna add our green chilies we cut up really small. Okay, so now we're gonna add our onion we thinly sliced. Mix it well, cook it until it's browned a bit. And cook the onion until it's translucent. You don't want it overly cooked or too brown. Okay, so now that the onion's been cooked down a bit, we are gonna add our salt. I'm starting with a teaspoon, we'll salt to taste. We're also going to add our turmeric powder. This gives a beautiful color to our poha. Make sure this is mixed thoroughly. Okay, so now that the onions are translucent, I'm going to add our peanuts. Okay, so now we are going to wash our poha. So we're gonna do it with cold water, just like you would wash rice, regular rice anyway. Okay, so I just washed my poha, and so we're going to turn the heat off while we wash the poha. We're gonna turn the heat back on, like medium, and add our poha. Okay. And now I'm going to mix nicely, lightly. Smelling really good. Mix thoroughly. All right. right, so I tasted the poha and it is ready to go. And that's it, our delicious fluffy poha is ready. So I'm gonna try it now. I did garnish it with cilantro leaves. It's light, refreshing, and full of flavor. Perfect for breakfast or even a light snack. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes. Tell me in the comments, do you like your poha with extra peanuts or keeping it simple? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.